Hi, this is Kate, and
This is Dad, and this is another episode of Coding with Dad, but this time it's with Kate. Hey, Kate, how old are you?
I am.
You're 9 years old.
9.
She's an awesome scratcher, but she's gotta remember her age.
So anyway, I'm gonna do a Blocky video.
Okay, so this video is gonna cover like some basic Scratch blocks. So if you're new to Scratch, this would be a great video
This is like
to watch, right?
the video. This is like a video like
you
my
wish
first,
you had,
my
right?
first Blocky video.
Yeah.
This would be a great video to see your first video because this explains like basically the most important blocks, like the blocks that you would probably usually use. Actually, two of them are what you usually use, which is this block and this block.
Okay.
You might not use that in a project, but it's just, those are for more of examples.
So if you get through this video and you're going to hit all the real basics about not just Scratch, but computer programming in general. Yeah. And it'll kind of give you a good head start into understanding, how programs are written, especially in Scratch. So what are you going to cover first?
So...
I basically, actually, you know what? Like, we should just have a quick talk about the two basic things in the two basic things in computer programming, right? It's like it's either loops, things that are happening a certain number of times, and that would be like your repeat or repeat loops, until,
repeat until,
or forever, right?
And forever.
And then there's decisions like, do I do this or that? Those are like
if then else.
Sometimes they'll call them branching.
This is a block that you will always use in program, no matter what, unless you don't want your program to work. It's the green flag is clicked. It basically starts the program.
Very good.
It is like, let's say,
entry point into your program, right?
Let's say when a green flag is clicked, move 10 steps. And steps are like little tiny movements. I'll show you. Like, you'll see him move. Like, look at this.
Yeah, see, moved a little bit over to the right.
Yeah, like the more steps you take, the farther you go. But if you want it to be like, look like you're slowly moving, then you might want to use a forever block or a repeat block, because then you can make it so, like, let's say this, it will go like this.
Yeah, perfect.
Instead of just like a block. Like, it looks like it looks a little messed up.
So what's forever? Forever just keeps on looping, looping.
Forever goes on forever. Forever is basically forever goes on forever.
Infinity?
Yeah, infinity. You should get what I mean.
Okay.
But anyway, it goes on for forever. Did I just get rid of the forever?
Yeah, I think you dragged it off.
Okay. So anyway, forever is in this part. It is like, it is control. It controls the thing. And control blocks, I think the control blocks are the most important blocks.
Yeah.
And then events is like, if this happens, like when space key,
when something happens, right?
When something happens,
it'll execute something else.
It'll start what happened.
Okay.
So that's where the green flag is come from.
Okay.
I like about Scratch how it like sorts them by colors, because then you can easily find where they're from.
Oh, very good.
Like blue is motion. The green is operators, which I'm going to get to right now. Well, light green is operators.
Yep.
Dark green is pen, but that'll be in a later episode, pen.
Yeah.
But anyway, so
we covered the forever block. What about that repeat block? Is that like the forever block?
Let me just drag the ones that I've already explained over here. Okay. So now.
Oh, this one.
I should explain this one.
Yeah.
This one you use a lot, and so does this one. The blue blocks, the motion blocks, you use a lot. So this is point in direction. You can't really see it with this sprite Bob the Dot, so I'll have to change you Bob the Dot just for a second. Oh no. Okay, so let's say...
I'm going to do an arrow?
Yeah, I'm going to...
Maybe you put an arrow underneath Bob the Dot.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Then I can have Bob the Dot.
Yeah, everybody loves Bob the Dot.
Yeah, Bob the Dot is nice. Okay, so I'm going to just use lines. That'll be easier.
Okay.
Okay, so now he's pointing. No, he's not pointing that way, is he?
I think he's pointing to the right.
No, he's pointing to the right, so
yeah.
I'll have to change that.
There you go. Okay. So now we go back and change that position block. Do we see him? Can we change his?
So now
we're pointing 90. 90 is 90 degrees, right? So 0 degrees is pointing straight up.
Okay, so let's just use the green flag as clicked because it won't work.
Okay.
Let's show you. It won't. None of these blocks will work if I press.
Nothing
will happen if I press that. So direction 90.
So I think the way.
Well, I should explain the directions if you don't know which direction is which. So 90 is right. So negative 90 is left because it's the opposite. So negative 90 is like opposite of kind of, So 0 is up and 180 is down. Okay. So
let's change
those are the directions if you don't know
Change the directions.
So
let's see what happens.
Right. See, it's right. So now this
left, let's see. Oh, yeah, Bob, he's a little upset. That's good. Now go up.
I can make him not go
No, that's
upset.
okay. I think we keep him that way, right? We get the idea. Oh, there we go. And then how do you do up?
Oh, wait, no. 1 second. I need him to face different directions like that, so you can see.
Yeah, you can see him as he turns.
You can see him as he turns. Yeah. So
up.
Let's try up. Okay. Bing. And then
down.
Down.
And the interesting thing is when you said move 10 steps, he's gonna move it. He's gonna move in.
Let's show you what that means.
Okay.
So let's
he's
say
gonna move down.
So now he's going to. Let's just make him move right. That's
right.
easier. Okay. So he's now we'll see him turn. And turn this way and start moving.
Okay.
That's actually a very important combination, these two blocks. That's when you're using arrow keys to move.
Perfect.
You use that a lot.
Okay.
And then now, you should move 10 steps.
Yep. Every time you click, he moves 10 steps. Okay. All right, let's get on to our other blocks now.
Yeah, okay. So I explained all of these blocks.
Yep.
In 7 minutes.
You're doing good.
So, now, no, I'm not going to explain those yet.
Want to do the rest of the loopings?
The loop. The rest of the loops. Okay. So, this is repeat until. I'll use these blocks for that. So, let's say repeat until. Actually, I'll have to use another block. This block isn't explained, sorry, but repeat until.
What are you looking for?
Repeat until.
Sensing, like you want to hit something.
Something. Repeat until. Okay, so it's basically. Okay, I know the way. I know how I can explain this. Okay, so you're not going to see it repeat because this it will never repeat. So let's say 1, repeat until 1 plus 1 equals 2, okay? So this won't repeat, okay?
Right.
Oh, I didn't put anything in it, so it's not going to repeat. So
you move him back a little bit, drag him back. So there we go.
Well, I knew that wasn't going to work.
Right.
Actually, I was just trying to trick you to see if you.
Because the condition
if you were like, oh come on,
right.
she knows that.
Right.
She knows that you didn't put that there.
Because the condition
I was just testing you.
Yeah.
I was just testing.
Oh, I didn't see that either.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't see that, really? So I guess I tricked you.
You tricked me. Okay.
I was wondering, like, did you see that? I'm like, So
but this
now,
won't move because that condition is false, right?
Yeah, because
it's true. It's going to repeat until 1 plus 1 equals 2, and it always equals 2, right?
Now let's say 1 plus 1 equals 3. It's never going to equal 3, so it's going to keep on repeating. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Ta-da!
There we go.
So if I had something like repeat until... What could I do? Let me go.
You could do repeat until touch that blue color, or right? Or you drag it back.
Now, I'm going to see Bob come back here. Oh, come on.
You got to stop him.
Don't do this anymore. Don't do this anymore.
Just stop. Hit the stop sign.
Thank you. Okay, so now I'm just going to break these blocks. So anyway, now explain these 2 blocks. Oh yeah, I didn't explain these 2 blocks too. So this adding, right? adding. These blocks are all like
you do math.
Yeah, basically. Some of them aren't like pick random or those are in another video.
Yeah,
so,
we'll cover those later, right?
Yeah, so these are basically just adding and subtracting. You probably would know. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. 0. Okay. So anyway, so what were you gonna say for the example?
So repeat until. So you showed
Oh, I got a good idea. Repeat until like an arrow is pressed. You probably would know what this means because it's like key, arrow, key pressed, key space pressed.
Okay.
So
we'll just have to tell.
You probably know what this means.
I'll tell everybody when you press the thing. So start it out, and
green flag. I didn't notice it that time. I can't believe it.
Okay, hit it. Okay, pressed it. She pressed it. Okay, so basically it's going to repeat whatever's inside that repeat until whatever's inside here. It's going to keep on repeating that until this condition is met, which is when you press. So it will. If we explain this, it'll come into this when it starts. It'll say repeat until spacebar and it checks. Is the spacebar pressed? No. Then move 10 spaces. Then it goes back up. Is the spacebar pressed? No. Then move 10 spaces.
Yeah,
then eventually, so that's why we saw it keep on moving.
Like the forever block.
Yeah.
There's a way to do moving with arrow keys that I will explain in a video that's not Blocky video
right.
because that's like a beginner
thing.
So anyway.
And then let's explain
So when you press the arrow keys, it will say it will keep on going through the loop is this pressed now? 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 Keep on going over
and then all of a sudden when you press it, it's it is pressed now, and it'll stop because now that's true. So it's going to repeat until that's true. And once that's true, it stops, right? Okay, and if you had a block underneath that, it would move on to the next block, right?
I have a few more blocks to explain.
Yep.
So actually, I already explained this, so I might as well just leave that there.
You could do the repeat number of times because that's very similar to what you just did.
Yeah.
And then
you can do repeat. I'm just going
to do one do the same thing.
No, one step.
Okay, one step.
To say 5 steps.
Yeah, and then put the.
Yes, I don't want to forget that again.
Okay. Then drag Bob the dot back so he's okay. Now if you hit start, it should do this 10 times. It did it so quickly.
Yeah, it keeps on going. I got a good idea. I got a good idea so when we can see it. So you would know what this means. It is real words. This isn't coding words. This is real words.
Okay,
wait 1 second. Okay. So move 5 steps. Wait 1 second.
Okay. So we'll be able to see. We'll stutter.
It'll go
right?
It'll go back. It'll go
let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it stopped. Very good.
Yeah,
okay, so that explains it. That makes sense.
Yeah, so
it repeated 10 times, exactly what we told it to do. Right?
I totally needed more blocks than I really expected. So, anyway.
So now we're on to the branch, called branching.
These you use in any code, probably any code that you're making a game out of, definitely making a game.
I know you did.
And animation? Do you always use that?
Yeah, they're used all over computer
Well, you don't always
programs.
use this don't always use these in animation, but you use them a lot.
They're very common in the Oops.
Sorry, we ran out of time because we're using the free version of Screencast-O-Matic. It's probably either down here or down here. It says that it's Screencast-O-Matic, and like it wouldn't say that if we were using
so we were talking about the if blocks and how they may be used in animation, may not, but it's just a logical way to branch to whether or not you're going to do something, or with the if else is whether you want to do. If something's true, you're going to do that, else you're going to do something else. So maybe you could explain those blocks.
So, yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm setting up, like, let's say if 5 plus 5 equals 10, okay? If 5 equals 10, then we can do it. Then what should we do?
Maybe move the piece 5 steps.
Sure.
I mean, we'll get into more interesting things.
I might show you at the end like a great game that I made on my other Scratch
and you can probably do another tutorial
website because that used a lot of the blocks that we made that we used.
Another good one I know you had done is like a math quiz. And
that's the game I'm talking about.
Okay, so let's do a whole other episode on that.
Okay, yeah.
So, because then once they watch this video, they'll be able to understand that. Okay.
Well, once they watch a lot of more of the blocking videos, they'll be like.
Okay, so how does this one work?
So this one is
So 5 plus 5 is 10.
Yeah, I didn't forget the green flag.
So 5 plus 5 is 10, so you would expect it to do the thing, right?
5 steps.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, did it?
Yep, it's moving 5 steps. Maybe you can make it move more steps just so we can see it.
Yeah, maybe. I'll just make it move.
Like 50 steps or something. Or 20.
100. No, that's a lot. Moves across. That's moves across.
What do you want to do? 20.
30 is
30 is
fine.
good.
30.
So let's show that.
Okay.
So every time you click the thing, it's moving because that condition is true. 5 plus 5, whatever's inside there, whatever you do, if that's true, it's going to do it. Now, what if you say 5 plus 5 equals 11 or something that's not true?
So let's do 5 plus 5 equals 11. And by the way.
And now if you click on the green arrow, what?
I just want to say these are all also blocks that you can use.
All mathematic operations.
All mathematic operations, yeah. They're these are like the equals blocks. Mm-hmm. These diamond blocks. Shaped like a diamond.
Oh, okay.
Or is that a kite?
I think they're logical because they're
no,
relative.
that's hexagons.
Yeah, but it's saying if something's less than or greater than, so it's a comparison. Whereas the ones on the top that you have up here are operations. So that's going to compute something, multiplication or minus. This is going to be either true or false. It's going to be if
these you can't put right in the if-then block, if-then-else box, or if-then block.
Because it's just a number.
Then it's if 5 plus 5, then move 30 steps. You don't know.
That's not a true or false thing.
It's not a true or false thing.
Right. So show us this one. Now, what happens if you click the arrow? Well, that's not true.
Click the. Okay, so Yeah, it only has 7 views and.
So if you click the green flag now.
Yeah, just 1 second.
Okay.
Let me just put all these back. Okay, so.
Click the flag, and now it
keep on
doesn't.
Clicking it. It's
no matter what, it doesn't
move,
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's show the if. Now, I think this leads us into the if else, right?
It's almost exactly like the if block. There's got to be a video of something that would be perfect with the if else block, which is just a simple moving tutorial. It's just moving just back and forth, round. So anyway, if 5 plus 5
well, that doesn't fit there, right?
I know.
Okay.
I know.
That's the great thing about Scratch is it won't let you put things together that aren't wrong.
Up as much. You can mess up with Scratch. It's just you can't really mess up really bad. the kind of messed
kind
up
of guides you
like,
into it, what you should be doing.
Yeah. But anyway, so
how about move 10 steps,
30 steps.
How about move negative 30 steps?
And then negative 30 steps.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Right.
So it'll move backward if it isn't true. So
it'll move. So basically, the way it's positioned now, it'll move to the right if that's true, and it'll move to the left if that's not true. Now I know that's wrong, so I'm going to bet that it's going to go to the left. What do you think?
Yeah,
Let's
I think
say.
so.
Yep. Now, if you make that true,
if I make this true, yeah.
Because 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very good.
Yay! So that's basically all the basic blocks that you're gonna use mostly in a lot of programming things.
Yeah. And it helps if we cover a lot of these basic blocks.
If you use a lot of these blocks, then you're gonna make a good program probably.
Yeah.
Because like people like to see, if like you're a basic programmer, people might not comment right away on your stuff, but as you get more advanced, people will see more of your projects because there'll be more projects and then people will comment on your projects, and you'll get better and better, and
it's how you grow as in anything, right? You got to keep on trying, right?
So
until maybe should we wrap it up?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Well,
I just want to mention my other Scratch account. I got to pause so you don't see my username and password. So you don't see my password. Okay, now I'm back, and my other account is Kate Website. I just got Katie Girl, which is it was the account I was using for this
most
video.
of the stuff you have is in Kate Website, right?
Yeah, like all of the stuff is in Kate Website. Like as you see, like on my other profile, like I think I went to it sometime in the video. I had nothing here. Like I had nothing because I just got that account today. So now I have like all this stuff.
Okay. Hey, great.
Yeah.
So let's wrap it up. So until you'll probably do a few more of these basic building block tutorials.
Yeah, and I'm going to do a few basic ones.
Yeah.
My sister Grace is going to do like advanced and intermediate ones. I'm pretty basic.
Well, that's good. Everybody's got to start somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, and until next time, on Coding with Dad, we'll see you later. Bye bye.